Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am going to be doing a DIY video. But what you would need is some flower appliques and thing. You're gonna need a satin robe, and make sure for a hard base to have anything like a hard wooden backboard or a book, just to make everything sturdy and with be clean lines. And the next thing you'll need is the Abilene's Original Fabric Fusion Permanent Fabric Adhesive. And this is the 4 fluid ounces. So, yeah. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, a little, depends how much you want, could go a long way. And this is going to be and let me just say, a 3-part series. So you're going to take it. Ugh, excuse me, y'all. I have to get it on my hand. But, yeah. But, yeah, so we're going to do it that way. But that is it. Yeah, that is it. So, like I said, this is a 3-part series. So you just let it dry overnight. And like I said, this is a fabric fusion permanent glue and thing. So you will need that. So I'm gonna put up part one of embellishing your satin robe. DIY embellishing satin robe. This is part one. Part two will be tomorrow. Until then, y'all, don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.